Chapter 9, Exercise 4, Part 6 of 10, Vice Jaw. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name, Vice Jaw. Store it in c09exr4 benchwise folder. Say OK. Now create a sketch. Select YZ plane as the sketching plane. Now draw the outer profile for our base picture. It's 6 mm, angle 90 degree. Sixty-four angle 0 degree. 36 angle 270 degree. 24 angle 180 degree. 9 angle 270 degree. 16 angle 180 degree. 9 90 degree angle and complete the sketch. Finish the sketch. Select explode. Start distance 0. End value 10 mm. So OK. Now create the sketch for the second feature on this face. That's OK. Now include project curve. So OK. Now draw a line for minimum length, angle 90 degree. Similarly, the other side. Now edit this dimension to 8 mm. The diameter 32 mm. This dimension to 20 mm. Horizontal line. Draw a tangent line. Will be unrequired lines. Dimension this angle to 25 degree. Select the fillet. Enter the radius 3 mm. Now select mirror curve. Select this radius 3, the standing line. Select the center line. Draw a center line. Convert this to reference at a distance of 8 mm from the vertical line. Now select the mirror curve tool. Select the radius 3 and the slanting curve. Select the center line. Select the new reference line. Say OK. Now trim the unwanted curve. This completes profile for our second feature. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Extrude to a distance of 22 mm. Select unite from the Boolean operation. Hide these sketches. Now create a datum plane at a distance. Select this space. Put it reverse direction. Enter the distance 45 mm. So OK. Now create a sketch on this new datum plane. Select OK. Select include this line. Select include x-axis. Now create a point. Start dimensioning. Edit this distance to 20 mm. This dimension to 32 mm. Finish the sketch. Now select a hole. Select counter bore the hole. Enter the hole diameter 6 mm. Counter bore diameter 13 mm. Counter bore depth value 4 mm. The specified point is already selected by default. Hole direction normal to face. depth limit value, enter hold depth limit 16 mm. Select subtract in the Boolean operation, say OK. With sketches in the datum frame. We create two holes in the bottom slot. Select hole M6 into 1.0 to specify the point. Select the sketch. Get a point here, point here. Now start dimensioning. Predict this dimension to 8 mm. Dimension to 8 mm. Predict this dimension to 16 mm. This dimension to 8 mm. Finish the sketch. Normal to face. Depth limit is 16 mm. Select subtract in the Boolean operation. Say OK. So create here. Thread. Select symbolic thread. Select the space of the cylinder. Say OK. Select the hold tool. Select simple hole. Enter the hole diameter 12. To specify the point, select the arc center and enter the value 24 mm. Select subtract in the Boolean operation. So OK. Right click, orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File, close all parts. This completes chapter 9, exercise 4, part 6 of 10, Vice Jaw.